Miss Annalie from the Ashland Branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a balloon tennis game. Let's get started. All right, there's a few supplies that you're going to need. So in your kit, you should have 2 plain paper plates, 2 craft sticks, and a balloon. What you're going to need from home is some crayons or some markers and either school glue, some good tape, or a hot glue gun. If you're going to use a glue gun, you need to have an adult with you and watching what you do if you don't want them to do it themselves. So it's easy to burn yourself on one of these, but it works really good for this project. So the first thing we're going to do is color your plates. Now I got some all colored here and ready to go. You can color it in different ways or the same way. It's up to you. Then once you're all colored, you're going to get your craft sticks. Now, if you use school glue, then you need to glue it on and let it sit until it's completely dry. If you tape it, be sure that you use a good quality duct tape, something that's going to last, because you're playing with this and it's going to take a beating. So I'm going to use the hot glue. And put some glue on here. And then I'm going to stick it down on the where it's flat on the plate, and I'm going to let that dry. Then I'm going to do the same to my other plate. Now, if you did a directional picture on the front side, I didn't, but if you did, you don't want it to be upside down or sideways, so be sure that you're gluing your piece on so that your picture will be right side up when you hold it up. Okay, and then we just let that dry. Then we're going to take and blow up our balloon. Now this is another thing that you might need a grown-up's help with, because sometimes it's hard to tie them off if you haven't had practice at that. But now's a good time to practice and learn how. I have one that I've already done here, and so I'm going to be ready to play here in just a second.
All right. Sneak attack.
Have fun with your balloon tennis.